So what's going on today, guys? We're in the office. Oh, Dave's in the back. But yeah, I think today I want to talk about why you actually have to love yourself a little bit more. This is a problem that we have in our society. Like, we think that we have to meet certain standards and do certain things to be liked. A lot of people, before I even moved to Orlando, I've had this shirt for a while, but people used to say that me wearing my own name on my shirt was egotistical. I don't understand where that's even coming from, but it's more about what I actually believe in. I believe in myself more than I believe in the words that are coming out of their mouth. So you got to start understanding that the love for what you do really starts with you loving yourself first. And I think a lot of people just get too caught up in trying to prove other people that they belong in a certain circle and they are of a certain caliber to belong to a certain group. I want to hang out with these people, so then I have to change who I am so that they think that I'm one of them. That is the dumbest fucking shit I've ever heard. Start going all in on yourself. Love yourself more, because when you love yourself more, people around you are going to realize that. And that shit is very attractive and also attractively infectious to get more relationships. So stop trying to be everybody's friend. Not everybody's going to like you. That's okay. Not everybody's meant to come with you on the journey. But yeah, the first step in you really being successful and you being self-aware is you just straight up fucking loving yourself. So thanks, guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.